Preservation and conservation of natural resources. Water is an important natural resource. Merely 2% of the water on earth is suitable for human consumption. Polluted and poisonous water released from industries are rapidly polluting the underground water. This is posing a tremendous danger for all life forms as well as the environment. Thus, alternatives means to reuse polluted water must be discovered. Students, water is a very important natural resource. Only 2% of water on earth is suitable for drinking for human beings. Industries and development is constantly polluting underground water. Immediate and effective steps should be taken to conserve it. School and college curriculum must include forest development related content to inculcate awareness among students. Similarly, measures must be taken to protect forest from forest fires and minimize loss of life and property. Students, curriculum of schools and colleges should include topics related to importance of forest and ways to protect them. More sanctuaries and national parks should be developed. Minerals are nature's gifts to man. It is available in limited quantities and so must be utilized judiciously. Alternative means to conserve and preserve minerals must be found. Motivation should be provided to reuse minerals repeatedly. Students, minerals are limited in nature and their use is increasing day by day. Alternate methods or materials should be developed to limit the use of minerals. People should be encouraged to reuse minerals. Continuous deforestation has endangered many species of wild animals. In fact, certain species are extinct in some forest areas. Birds and animals are poached for their skin, feathers, bones, horns, teeth, and even meat. Illegal and merciless killing of wild animals must be controlled. Citizens must be aware of the importance of wild animals. Correct information about the environment, forest, flora, and fauna should be provided to people. Sanctuaries and national parks should be developed. People should be made aware of wildlife through nature education camp. Students, due to deforestation, wildlife suffers greatly. Some species have become very rare and some have even become extinct. Birds and animals are killed for feathers, bones, horns, teeth, hide or skin, etc. Killing wild birds and animals is illegal and so should be controlled. Strict punishment should be given to the guilty. People should be made aware about importance of forest and wildlife through national education camps, seminars, street shows, etc. Students, here we end our chapter 2, India, Climate and Natural Resources. Students, if you like my videos, do subscribe channel Asma Madhya. Click on the bell icon for the latest videos. Like the videos, share the videos and do comment on all the videos.